Look at that, guys, the new Unity Beach sign down in Unity Beach. Get yourselves down here, and today I'm going to introduce you to a famous man. His name's Simon David. He's Mr. TikTok. Good morning, Mr. TikTok.
Good morning, everyone. How are we doing?
How are you today?
Oh, mate, I'm fantastic. Can I just draw your attention back to that sign?
Yes, sure.
Unity. Why Unity, Nige?
Well,
I'll tell you why. Because we are all in this together. Yeah, this is all about owners going forward, looking after you, making us one. Unity. Yeah? We bring you here, we get you settled, and you enjoy your free time here in a beautiful place. Yeah? Nigel, am I right?
What you should have, Simon, between me and you, I don't understand why you've got gaps on the Shogun.
Well, that's very easy to explain to you, Nigel. And that is that we are selling so many vans at the moment. I'll give you an example. We had 2 Baywoods come on the lot yesterday. In fact, I unpacked them and I dressed them Friday morning. Both sold yesterday.
You're kidding me.
Both.
Show me outside them.
Yeah, I will do.
So this is the way to the office, yeah? This is the holiday home Shogun, yeah?
Absolutely.
So this is down on Richards Way.
So Richards Way is the private road that links the 2 parks to the countryside. Yeah. Okay. To the left there, you can see the fun fair.
Wow.
Already in operation.
Got a big wheel.
Yeah, we have.
That's new, isn't it, this year?
New this year. There's a couple of new things this year. It's nice to see that the guys are bringing in fresh stuff for people to enjoy.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
So that's your swimming pool. Now that's open to the public, yeah?
Yeah, it is, mate. Absolutely. And I'm guessing that it's okay to talk about our plans for next year for the pool.
Of course it is.
So this field right in front of us here, next year, we are going to be having an outdoor Lido. And what do I mean by Lido? What I mean is that we're going to have an outdoor pool, heated, with a lazy river, the biggest lazy river in the southwest of England. The biggest, by far. And an undercover, all-weather entertainment venue. So we've
got the new Wonky Donkey as well.
I mean, that's really exciting, isn't it?
That should be open now at the end of May.
End of May, and we went in there recently. The guys are really kicking on with it, aren't they?
I think we should do a video in there tomorrow.
I think we should as well.
Show the nation how well
I think we should. I think the guys.
What's the name of this tree, Simon?
That, I want to say it's a cherry blossom, but it's either cherry or apple.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Being in Somerset, I'd probably say it's apple.
It's gorgeous.
Cider country.
This is the way to your office, yeah?
Absolutely, mate.
So if they want to come and have a chat, just pop in down and see Simon, guys. He's the main man down here. He does most of the selling. I want to show you the pop-up tent as well.
I'll tell you one thing as well.
This pop-up tent.
When we talk about selling, Nigel, we're not like your stereotypical salespeople. What we are doing is giving people what they want. You know, they come to us. They want to know what's available. We ask them what they want to achieve out of their entire experience. Yeah,
and they can let it, can they?
And they can let it. So we're doing something at the moment where you can let your caravan out through the Premier letting service.
It pays for itself.
It pays for itself, and more importantly, we prioritise our owners ahead of our own hire fleet, mate.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah? What's a park without people? We want people here. We want owners here enjoying it.
So if they couldn't afford to buy one, could they come on holiday, like pay to come on holiday?
100%. Yeah, we've got a significant hire fleet here. And there are various units available for anyone to come and book a holiday. And we recommend anyone that wants to even think about buying a holiday home, come down and try it out first. Come and join us.
And if they've got a touring caravan, they can come down?
So yeah, we've got touring fields, we have seasonal tourer fields. So if you're in between the whole concept of, am I ready for a static home yet? We're still touring, we quite like it. Bring your tourer down to us. Come and see what the park's got to offer.
Tell me about this, Simon, please. It says the 4th to the 27th of October, pop-up pavilion. What's all this about?
So we have got, in lieu of us opening up the new pavilion area, we felt that we needed to provide something extra for the customers while we were revamping the pavilion area and the Wonky Donkey. So what we've done is we put in place probably about 10 food trucks. So if you want Greek, Italian, Asian, it's all there. It's all there for you. And we've got...
It's popular, isn't it?
Do you like gyros? I love it, and it's good quality food over there.
Some of that today.
I think we should as well. Any excuse for food, Nigel, I'm there.
I did a short video, I couldn't believe it, on the Have a Slice pizza, and it got viral. It's got like 40,000 views on YouTube.
You tasted it, right?
I tasted pizza from the other shop.
It's delicious. It really is.
Oh, there's the guys. So this is your office, Simon, yeah?
This is where this is my home, absolutely. And you can come in here. We're not just looking to straight away, do you want to buy a caravan? That's not what we do here. Come in, ask us questions. Come into the new owner's reception. If you want to pay bills or ask questions or talk about pitch enhancements, we are here to help people. That's what we do.
I need to show the guys the new owner's lounge, don't I? I need to show
I think we should.
We'll show it. Yeah.
We'll have a look around here first, then we'll go in, shall we?
Oh, there's Shane, look. Shane works down in Unity as well. He's the maintenance manager. He won't like that. He actually works in sales, guys.
He's a good guy, Shane.
He does a good
really good guy. We've got a solid team here.
See, all the sales team here, look, they mix in, look. Look, they mix in, he's fixing the door, and he works in the sales office.
Absolutely.
Another one you've sold?
Yes, mate. This is the Kerr family going on
this is
Primrose
nice.
Way.
We met the Kerr family yesterday. Great people, aren't they?
Yes, mate. Primrose Way.
Look at that.
Stunner, isn't it?
Oh.
These are really popular vans, Nigel.
They're going to have some
Great layout.
fun in that, aren't they?
Now, mate. Dishwashing, washing machine.
That's Shane, guys, by the way. If you want to come round and see him, you're more than welcome.
Give me a shout.
So he won't only just sell you a van, he'll fix it for you. Any problems, day or night, he's 24-hour service.
Jack of all trades, mate.
So we need to put a van in here, Simon, because you've sold another one.
Yes.
We're going to run out of pictures of where you're going.
Do you know, I believe that we've only got about 3 pitches left on even the new development.
Is it?
Yeah.
So it won't be the problem. We'll always get vans, we won't get pictures.
Vans are easy.
Yeah.
You know, we can order vans. Of course we can.
Yeah, they're
But
cars, aren't they?
absolutely. But space on the park, we can't just invent another 25 acres.
No.
It is what it is. You know, and then we,
sold as well.
of course it is, yeah. That's another Shane.
Shane again.
Absolutely. And again, lovely
We need to put
people.
some vans here. This is empty.
Absolutely. I think we're caught at a time of year, Nigel, where the manufacturers are desperately trying to catch up with requirements, and we are busier than most parks in the UK for obvious reasons.
Shall I order some today? Because I need to order some.
I think we should.
The Baywoods sell really quickly. Do you think I should try and get some Baywoods?
Straight away, they only came in.
Jump on my computer and email that Tim and ask him if he's got 4 Baywoods.
Sure.
Yeah?
I'll do that right now.
And then we'll...
We'll unpack them and they'll be
what
sold in
else-
4
what else
days.
do you think we should buy? Because we need some. Look, this one's not sold yet.
This is a great deal.
So this is the one you sold yesterday.
Swift Bordeaux Escape, built-in decking already on the van, 2016 at 43,995, Nigel.
Can you do finance on this?
We can offer you finance on this, 10% deposit required. We'll get you down, we'll find you a plot.
Say again.
Christine's just sold that one.
Oh, has he really?
Christian.
In the office.
God, that's a miracle if he sold one.
That just demonstrates how
There is a God.
popular.
There is a God.
It demonstrates how busy we are.
There's no soul sign in this one. Where's the soul sign?
He was getting, it's just sorting out now.
No, is it Carver's?
That one.
The 3-bedroom, yeah.
Tell Carver to put the soul sign in. There's another one sold here.
There we are.
Oh, I need to order some booklets as well.
Yes.
This is another Baywood you sold.
The Keswick's a nice
2-bedroom, yeah, yesterday.
Where are they? ABI.
Yeah, the ABI Keswick's, they're lovely.
I've ordered 20 ABIs.
Yeah, love the Keswick's, mate.
We could do, I tell you what we could do after, when you're not busy, the two of us, we could do a walk around the new bit because there's not many pictures left.
I wouldn't mind a walk around there and then pop into some of those. They've got the Keswick there, it's lovely.
Nice vans.
Look at
Grab the
Really
pictures,
nice.
We'll do it after
that.
then.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these guys, Nigel, very quickly. Chris Wetherall, lovely family. Chris and Chelsea came yesterday. We found them the perfect spot on Primrose Way, number 7. Okay.
Here's your phone number there as well.
That's me, 07973 620 351. But the best part of my job is happy customers. When people leave here, very excited about joining us.
Happy life.
That's what it is. It's not even like being at work, Nigel.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's really lovely. People that are happy.
Another one sold.
Another one sold. That's Cara
Carver,
to
down
the
here.
Hill family.
This one's not sold yet.
We've got a Bordeaux here.
Do you want to go inside quickly?
Let's do it. Let's do it. 2016 this.
Big one, isn't it? It's a very good deal.
There we go, look.
42,495. 38, 12, 3-bed, yeah?
Yeah, so this sort of van, a little bit older. We've got to find pictures on the main park for it. And we'll do our best. But then
What
people,
about the stripy seats?
I'll be honest with you, Nigel, we're already thinking about putting together a waiting list. That's how busy we are. Yeah,
It's lovely, mate.
it is lovely.
Can I scan around a bit?
Absolutely. As a used van, this has been loved. You can tell.
This is a really nice van, mate. Love it. I think we put some new carpet in this one. Tell Kev to order new carpet for it.
No problem at all.
I think we need new carpet and get a nice. We get a really nice valet because we put the nice TV up on the wall there. The bracket's ready for it.
That's it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. And people love these Bordeaux because of the
big open
separation.
window. Sorry, you're talking. Sorry.
Yeah, the separation of the living space to the bedroom area.
Oh, yeah.
Really, really lovely.
We need a door for there.
Yeah, I think we have the doors. It's going to go on.
Probably took it off because of transportation.
Exactly that. But
Lovely, isn't it?
3 bedrooms, mate. You know, perfect.
It's a bit dark down here.
It is.
I don't know if
We haven't got the power on in here.
Let me have a look in the main bedroom.
There we are. Loads of space. Ensuite bathroom behind you.
I love it.
It's a good thing. Really good thing.
We need to change all the carpets.
I'll tell you what these things are, Nigel. These things are important to choose the right van, but what this does is just facilitates your desire to have quality memories made with your family.
Yeah.
This is what this thing does.
Yes.
You know, we are offering people the opportunity to come and join us, to enjoy the area, but enjoy that time with their family. How busy are people normally Monday to Friday?
Mate, they're flat out and
Flat out.
they have to work hard to have nice things.
Exactly.
So, you know, they want to come down and enjoy it, switch off, bring the kids down after school on a Friday, go back on a Sunday.
And that's
night,
what we do.
And they feel relaxed. They feel
That's what we do.
They might be an hour or two away, but they feel like they've been on holiday. So people say, why buy a caravan? And that's why.
I'll tell you as well, a lot of people live within 2 hours of the park that own here. So they look in the sky on a Friday and they go, do you know what? It's going to be a cracking weekend. And they get down here.
I think it's value for money as well, because I went to Miami only for a week. It cost me like £3,500.
Exactly.
With the spending.
Exactly. And you never get that money back.
No, but this is value for money.
Yeah.
Can we have a look over
So
there?
what have you got left out of your trip to Miami? I'll tell you what
I
you've
got
got.
memories.
Memories. And it's exactly what we're doing here.
Yes.
We're selling memories.
They're memories, they can come nearly every weekend. We're only closed for a few weeks.
Exactly.
And the country club's open for 12 months.
And you were away for 4 or 5 days?
4 or 5 days.
They can come here for 44 weeks if they want to.
Incredible, mate.
It is
We're
incredible.
offering A nice facility here, mate. So, let's have a quick look over here. Then I think later we'll do a video, if you've got time,
On Primrose?
on the new development.
Yeah, I
And a
think we
walk
should.
around. And, you know, because I think it's important for YouTube. Oh, the boys are putting the decking on this one. Look.
Yeah, they are.
Let's look at the decking team.
Nice big one as well.
This is a new decking company called Elliott's.
Good guys, mate. They work really hard on Primrose.
Yeah,
Really
they have
hard.
done well, haven't they?
Yeah, they really have. Nice big deck going on.
Caravans here as well, Simon.
Yep. So we have a lot of motorhomes that come into this area here, and sandwiched right in the middle of it is Primrose.
It's Damien.
There he is. There he is.
So the boys are putting the base together now. It's going to be a show decking.
These Lakewoods are stunning vans.
Beautiful.
Absolutely open plan, modern, walk-in wardrobes.
Beautiful.
They're
I'm not
stunning.
going to go too close to the decking because they're playing music and YouTube copyright it.
Don't like that. They don't like it. There he is.
Putting the steps on the new development. Working on a Sunday. Hello, Damo.
Tim's a good guy. He works really hard.
Hello, mate. I'll come over and see you. That's Damo. He's the number 2 salesman here after Simon.
What a beautiful day.
Isn't it just?
Yeah.
Stunning.
Love your new coat. We're all Unity here, mate. I love it.
It's got Unity on the back?
No, nothing.
I need to get Unity put on the back then. Mr. Unity.
Team Unity.
Team
Oh,
Unity.
you're
There
winning
you
so
are.
much money.
They're doing them. That decking's looking good, isn't it? That's got some nice
Solid.
stuff
Yeah,
there.
decking board.
Really solid.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a special offer there, is that Damo?
Yes. Yeah.
So look at this.
Guaranteed letting income.
Is that for 2025? So we can guarantee up to, on the bigger ones, 10,000, but this
Yeah,
is
we can
average one.
take
Oh,
that off the price of the caravan if we had to.
It makes it really easy for people to get involved, doesn't it?
I
It's
can't go.
brilliant.
This is the music.
Oh, that's a brilliant tool. That is.
Makes it really easy.
So getting a caravan, £8,640 cheaper.
That's a
than
big.
what it's advertised.
It's a big number.
It's a big number.
Really
Comes
big
off
number.
The price of the van, yeah?
You can come off the price of the van, or we can do half and half. Take
3,500 for next year's site fees, let's say, and the rest can come off the price of the van.
That's incredible.
It's
mate.
really
Up
flexible.
to the said individual.
Really flexible.
If they buy a van, can they ever go on the big wheel free?
Yes.
I think we can arrange that, can't we?
We spoke to Phil the other night.
Yeah.
He said just go and see him, and
We need to go
can
down and
sort
get
that
some
out.
tickets for.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Right, Simon, we're going to end the video there because we've
Good stuff.
See you all
a
later,
nice
guys.
chat. Thanks, mate. Watch your back, I don't be getting run over.
Thank you for joining us, guys. Like I said, we are here to help you. We're here to make your dreams a reality. 07973 620 351. You should know who I am by now, but if you don't, I'm Simon. Yeah, we're just here to help you. You have a great Sunday, guys.
Thanks, mate.